All right, so the second operation I'm going to run through is when we take and we mill this flat and drill this hole. So we do this over on our VF-2. So we have a couple pieces that we've ran. So I'll just take these guys out. Take these, put that up against the stop there. Tighten them down. Close. Cycle start. What that will do is then it'll mill this round flat in there on both pieces, and then it'll come and drill them. So this is what the piece looks like when it comes out. Then what we do is take this 2-inch grinder and just hit those edges to take that burr off of there.